Welcome to BAR Matters Guide. Ang videong ito ay tungkol sa guidelines in the filing of annual income tax returns and payment of income tax for the calendar year 2024 na mag-deadline this April 15, 2025. Pursuant to Revenue Memorandum Circular No. 34-2025 na nilabas ng BAR, sabi dito, the filing of the annual income tax return for calendar year 2024 shall be done electronically, including annual income tax returns without payment, in any of the available electronic platforms such as Electronic Filing and Payment System, (BAR forms, and tax software providers. Manual filing shall only be allowed to the following. 1. Individual business taxpayers classified as micro and small using the downloadable annual income tax return for individuals classified as micro and small taxpayers using BAR Form 1701 IMIS. 2. When there is a BAR issued advisory on the unavailability of the said system, or 3. When there is justifiable reason as may be determined by the Commissioner of the Internal Revenue or his authorized representative. Bali po, lahat ng annual income tax returns ay dapat po i-file online, unless may advisory na hindi available ang system, or ang taxpayer na classified as micro or small ay gagamit ng BAR Form No. 1701 IMIS. Itong Form 1701 IMIS ay bago po ito, at hindi pa ito magagamit sa online filing ng returns, kasi wala pa ito sa BAR forms or sa IFPIS. Pagdating naman sa payment of taxes, sabi sa circular, manual payment shall be made through authorized agent banks, or in places where there are no authorized agent banks, the tax due shall be paid with the revenue collection officer in any revenue district office. Only revenue collection officer assigned in the RDO premises shall accept cash payment up to 20,000 pesos or in check regardless of amount. Bali po parang may order of priority dito, bali kung gusto mo magbayad manually or over the counter, sa authorized agent bank po kayo magbayad, pero pag walang authorized agent bank sa lugar mo, doon ka pupunta sa Revenue Collection Officer sa any BAR District Office para magbayad. Pero kung ang amount na babayaran mo ay lagpas ng 20,000 pesos in cash, dapat po maghahanap ka ng authorized agent bank kasi ang cash payment sa Revenue Collection Officer ay may limit lang na 20,000 pesos. Kung gusto mo naman ng online payment, pupunta ka lang sa online payment through electronic payment gateways sa services ng BAR na makikita sa BAR website. Ang maganda sa online payment ay pwede mo ito gawin kahit nasa bahay ka lang at walang limit na 20,000 pesos. Pero mostly ng mga online payment channels ay mayroon po service charge, pero mas mababa siguro ito kaysa sa pamasahe mo papunta sa bank or sa BAR. Pagdating naman sa submission ng mga attachments ng inyong annual income tax return, doon po kayo magsasubmit sa IFPIS na makikita sa services ng BAR. At ang pag-submit nito ay within 15 days from the deadline of filing of return, or in case of late filing, dapat masubmit ang attachments within 15 days from filing. Bali kahit yung classified na micro and small taxpayer na gagamit ng BAR Form 1701 IMIS, ay magsusubmit rin ng kanilang attachments online through IFPIS, unless may advisory na unavailable po ang system. So kung ako tatanungin nyo kung ano ang magandang gawin, gusto ko online filing ng return, online payment, at online submission ng mga attachments para hindi mo na kailangan magpa-stamp ng received sa BAR. Makakatipid po kayo sa oras at iwas traffic sa kalsada. Pero dapat gawin po natin ito before deadline kasi nagkaka-traffic din po sa online pagsabay-sabay tayo sa deadline mag-file and pay. So, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.